Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the new chapter of Long-Awaited Feelings or Feelings Can't Wait, chapter 106. So, here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Ji Yuyan right now. She was looking at Akshu. Probably she was really fussed. Akshu right now. She was really closing herself to her, and she was blushing when she got greeted by Akshu. At this moment, Akshu spray fired in her hands, and Akshu, she seems to be calm. She looks really serious. Well, this is it. Since Akshu is holding her hand, Yuyan right now, she was calling Akshu. Akshu answered her and said, well, still, her feelings are really aren't too far. But right now, both of them are getting shy. Yuyan, I was actually panicking just now. Oh, it turns out you want to portray to be a strong person. That's why, even though she was panicking, she completely calmed herself down. Well, after applying the medicine, canister she put down on the table. Well, this is getting good. At least for now. Akshu, to her surprise, she was thinking, why don't you call me just now? Well, she seems to be puzzled. And also, she looks really serious. On the other hand, Yuyan, she moved closer to Akshu. Well, as of this moment, Akshu, she was holding her hands and probably she wanted to tell more about something else. But for her right now, it's not really the proper time. Although the situation is getting good, but look at it. She looks really sad. Akshu, right now, she looked down and thinking. Well, probably she was really thinking hard. But right now, Ji Yuyan is trying to explain everything to Akshu. Well, Akshu right now, she was really calm. She was sitting on the sofa. She wants to hear her voices. But after that, suddenly, Akshu grabbed her hand. Grab and lock in. Whatever, who is it? Right now, still, she wants to grab her hands. Although, Ji Yuyan, maybe it's because every embarrassing moment, I don't even want you to see it. Oh, she was really sweet girl. Right now, she's trying to protect Akshu. With the paperwork and something else. Of course. Or maybe it's because every dangerous moment, I don't even want you to fall into it. Well, it seems to be just really getting freaky. Well, let's hope they can fix this. Also afraid of making you to worry. Jiyan said to her, always hope that you can see me. Akshu said to her, but right now, Jiyan, she seems to be busy so much. You really need to protect your sister, right? I can be the most beautiful and calm me. Jiyan is asking her so much. Well, right now, they're trying to be closer to each other. Even though Jiyan, she was really sweet. But deception is the worst thing. Not knowing anything is what worries me the most. Akshu, right now, she really can't help herself. What is the bad thing happened to them? That's why she's always afraid of anyone. I know I was wrong, so Akshu, I will learn to confess to you. Jiyan said to Akshu. Well, for now, of course. You really need to confess everything. That's why Akshu was here and ready to listen. Actually have a lingering fears. And I'm still afraid of what happened just now. Talked too much this evening, and it really went well. Let's hope. Final result was really good. These two girls. Now, Ji-Yuan, she feels so uneasy. Well, probably she knows that. That's why she kept herself silent and also focusing on Ji-Yuan. Well, Akshu, she was really sweetest girl. Can I give you a hug? Ji-Yuan is asking her. You will feel more at ease. Ji-Yuan, just trying to convince her, right? Although, right now, seems to be afraid of. Well, let's see on what will happen to him. I'm going to get other medicine. Well, right now, Ji-Yuan, she was losing her patience. Although, it's really quite nice. Right now, Ji-Yuan, instead of kissing her, she rushed through her and back into hug. Well, it means that trying to show herself she is really a good person. Well, but for her right now, I see you promised me. Ji-Yuan, to her surprise. Now, Ji-Yuan, she really wants to taste Akshu. That's why right now, I see you promised me. Ji-Yuan said to Akshu, but right now, it seems that Ji-Yuan, she become close to Akshu and Akshu, she really loves her. How can you cheat? Right now, Ji-Yuan, she was asking her questions, but most of it was really not related to her. Also, right now, well, the title is great, but right now, Akshu, she was really blushing on thinking for something. Well, could it be that? Akshu, right now, she moved closer to her and said, I am dreaming. Until now, she really can't believe the progress of these two. Well, let's hope no one will hide. No one will get confused. Ji-Yuan, right now, she was really a sweet girl. Look, she back hugged. Well, guys, they really meant to each other, right? Well, even though the story is getting slower, still, we have some positive feedbacks. Well, let's see what will happen next week. Hey guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comment and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!